Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market Insight for December 4th, 2019. Let's get going. The past few days of price action have been picture perfect for highlighting some very key principles when it comes to laying the foundation for your success in your interactions with the market. And one of those principles that I'd like to highlight in brief is that of understanding market psychology. In short, it took us approximately 3 weeks to move from 3063. We consolidated, we trended, we came down a bit, we trended to make a high of 3158, approximately 100 points. So it took us 3 weeks of market action to gain 100 points, yet it took us approximately a day and a half between Monday morning and Tuesday at noon to fall almost 100 points. And that highlights the truthism that markets take the stairs up, but they take the escalator down. And so when there is fear in the market, price moves quickly to the downside, much more quickly to the downside than it does to the upside. 3 weeks of gains wiped out in approximately 1 week and a half, which is why I have been counseling for the past almost 2 weeks now. As we approach these elevated levels, portfolio insurance is always a good idea to consider and to have, especially at the cheap prices that they were available for prior to Monday morning. And so, where do we go from here? What concerns me, quite frankly, is now we're seeing a bit of change in market behavior. And by market behavior, I mean this 3115 level we've been looking at all of last week as a very important level that the market had to stay above in order to facilitate short-term upside. As you can see here, once we gapped above this 3115 level last Monday, that was the stage and basis for our rally up into 3158. Now, on the downside, 3115 is now also a very important level. Can price regain 3115, or will 3115 now act as an area that is going to attract sellers to overwhelm in their aggression the buyers that showed up the last time that we were at this point? 3115, therefore, in today's session is very important to pay attention to. How does price react or respond to the 3115 level if we even have the strength to get there? And that is a concern for me because on this rebound, we have not been able to even take sellers up to 3112 or 3115. We stalled out and began to turn at around 3108. That is signs for concern. So, to the downside, we have to look for yesterday's low at around 3071. To the upside, let's see if we can get to that 3112, 3115 region. Be careful out there today, folks. Be patient, protect yourself. This is IslandMint Pre-Markets Insight.